Welcome to Spyder Auto's projector headlight installation guide for the Nissan Titan. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket, needle nose, and a flathead screwdriver. Unlock the 8 retainer clips that secure the grille using a flathead screwdriver. Release the grille corner clip. Then unseat and remove the grille. Remove the headlight garnish panel. Remove the two 10mm bolts securing the headlight up top. Disconnect the headlight harness. Remove the two 10mm bolts that secure the headlight. Unseat and remove the headlight. Remove the two headlight garnish clips from the OEM headlight. We'll need to transfer these. Remove the high beam bulb. Remove the low beam bulb. Remove the harness connector. Remove the turn signal socket. Remove the side marker socket and then remove the harness. Locate the Spyder headlight. Your beam adjusters are shown here and are 8mm. For information on wiring the halos and more, check out the Spyder FAQs playlist on the Spyder Auto YouTube channel. Transfer the side marker socket to the Spyder headlight. Reinstall the turn signal socket. Secure the harness connector. Reinstall the low beam bulb. Reinstall the high beam bulb. Transfer the headlight garnish clips to the Spyder headlight. Seat the Spyder headlight. Reconnect the headlight harness. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts that secure the headlight from below. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts that secure the headlight from above. Reinstall the headlight garnish panel. Then just reinstall the grille and you're done. Congratulations, you've updated your Titan with a set of modern projector headlights from Spyder Auto.